So this is set 2 of our basic pharma, medication administration, parental therapies, rationale. But this set is not anymore with pharma because we're done with that. This is our introduction on basic core concepts for basic care and comfort, a little of health promotion and maintenance, as well as reduction of risk potential. Kaya nga title ng set na to is the pretest for CC2, reduction of risk potential. This is medyo long, so I'll also pause the recording. I will actually share the test version here in your um, Zoom chat room. Pull up nyo kung hindi nyo mahanap. Pero na-answeran nyo na. Okay? You just have to either highlight the answer sa tab nyo sa cellphone nyo, sa computer nyo, or may piece of paper kayo na tinatandaan yung answers, no? Para may evaluate nyo na mabuti. Okay? I'll share the test version again before I run down the answers. Okay? So, one moment. Yes, I am now recording it again. Okay, so as what I stated a while ago, you need to set aside time in order for you to do the test. Kaya pinull up ko rin dito, baka na-misplace nyo or nasagutan siya before, pero hindi nyo na makita sa archive nyo. So this is the set. That is basic care and comfort, which is mostly procedures. Kasi kung sa pointers nyo, let's pull it up. Ano mga concept under basic care and comfort. Okay? Hindi siya katulad sa ating comprehensive review na po tayo sa per subject matter. Lalo na sa aking side, foundation siya ng lahat ng topics. Kaya ang aking attack is the client care categories ng mga concepts, subconcepts sa table of specifications. So ako bali ang mga tagpi-tagpi na mga blanco na hindi madidiscuss ng ibang lectures din. So, kinukuha ko yun. Okay, now, dito you have the checklist nyo, which is based on the pointers. Okay, so ito ay, ang checklist na inopya ko dito, may dungis pa pala. Kailangan, baguhin ko tong checklist na to na hindi walang dungis. Yung original. Nandali. Dapat na-remove ang mga bahay dungis na ito. Idiot. Dahil lang. Ano ko siya ma-remove man? Ang basic and comfort ito siya. Mga procedures. If you notice, ayan o, yung mga assistive devices sa positioning, sa ambulation, yung mga procedures nyo, bladder and bowel elimination, catheterization, enema, colostomy, lahat ng yan. Procedures yan. Procedures that non-pharmacological comfort measures, tube feeding, etc. Postmortem care, yan, procedures. Then sa reduction of risk potential, procedures din sa assessment, sa diagnostic test, sa specimen collection, lab data, surgery, study of nursing, treatments, ayan o. Okay, procedures, assessments, sedation, education, preventive care, yun. Pareho pa rin. Diagnostic tests, treatments and therapies, pareho pa rin yan. Okay? So those are the composition of your basic care and comfort and reduction of risk potential. Basic care and comfort is 6 to 12%. Reduction of risk potential is until 11%. Okay? Let me pull up muna just to make sure na ma-forward ko sa inyo ay walang bahidungis na pointers. Sandali. Yan, ito checklist. Itong walang bahidungis. Tingnan ko. Yan. Itong ipasok ko doon. Di ba ka? Okay. Okay. Ngayon, at ito pala sa'yo, ah, sa Zoom niyo, ganun din. May checklist kayo. Moment. Hmm, saan siya? Ayan. Okay. Checklist ulit. Okay? So let us begin again. Um, so this is for basic care and comfort and reduction in risk potential. So case studies and trend items. Okay? Ang ibang mga innovative items, you'll encounter them sa dali lang. Dali lang. Ha? Okay. So to resume, so this is actually basic care and comfort and reduction of risk potential, which covers uh, two subject areas. Okay. Two client care category areas. Okay. Mainly 6 to 12% and 8 to 11%. Okay, of those topics that I have reiterated. Okay, so first, mga complications at saka mga procedures. So compartment syndrome, first nating case study dito. Okay, medyo mabilis na tayo dito kasi this is just presentation of the answer key lang dapat. Okay, and rationale. So, um, okay, you just have to read through the situation. Okay, I will not be reading it again. Okay, pain 10 out of 10. Tapos, may updated neurovascular checks provided na motion of the toes limited by the cast, unable to assess the fetal pulse, walang pulses. Di ba we have to assess the 7 P's of circulation dyan? Pain, paresthesias, pallor, pulses, paralysis, pressure, and poikilothermia. In this situation, wala kang um, peripheral circulation, plus meron kang pain unrelieved by analgesics, kahit na narcotics din dyan. This, pag may CAS, may SCAR, you have to entertain either neurovascular, um, vascular necrosis, or your compartment syndrome, okay? Which is compression of your nerves and blood vessels because of nagka-edema, walang puntahan, makompress at magkaroon ka ng irreversible paralysis dyan. So that's a medical emergency. You have to prepare for bivalving. Okay? So, lumala na 17s, yan yon. So, when you perform your vascular assessments, ano ang i-check no? Select all that applies, careful not to overcheck and to undercheck. Okay? So, scoring rule, right one is wrong. Ayan, oh. Okay? So, there is 5 P's nga lang dyan sa ating, sa ating rationale sa baba, oh. But this is 7 P's of circulation. Pain, paresthesias, pallor, pulses, paralysis, pressure na sobra, and coldness area, poikilothermia. Kasama. Okay? Right. That is compartment syndrome. Prepare for bivalving. Ano, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. We have same details. Just a while ago, same details. Out of 6 questions. So, venous thromboembolism, compare natin sa kung acute complication siya or chronic complication ng fracture. Compartment syndrome is an acute complication sila ng venous thromboembolism. The rest of this is chronic complication. That's like the post-op fever is a sign of complication. Pwede acute, pwede chronic. But because of sepsis, later na yung mangyari after 6 days. Fever, post-op in the first 24 hours is caused by dehydration or atelectasis. Yung 5 W's of fever, remember? Wind, atelectasis, water, dehydration, or shock. Wonder drugs, yung mga anesthetic agent that causes hyperthermia, wound infection, and walking, deep vein thrombosis. So, walking, wonder drugs, wound infection, water, and wind. Go planet. So, yan, complication post of fever. Ito naman, complication of fracture. Magkaroon ka ng compartment syndrome, may fracture, whether may cast o hindi, lalo pag may cast ka. Kasi mako-compress din ng fracture mo ang iyong nerves and blood vessels pwede ka magkaroon ng compartment syndrome. So for a moment, hmm. Okay, again, sorry for the interruption. At least this is recorded, walang naka-attend ng live. Kaya para isi-send ko lang 'to sa inyong kasi kung may nag-attend ng live, edi mauun siya sa akin kasi kasi maputol-putol ako. At least dito hindi siya putol-putol. So here, next situation, okay, you can actually pause, ipo-pause mo ng gano'n pag, if you want to read the rationale. Next 3 out of 6, same condition, you just have to read through everything, okay? Then your vascular checks. So based on the condition, what is the client most likely experiencing? This is compartment syndrome, and as mostly evidenced by your neurovascular assessment as what I've stated a while ago, it's the 7 P's of circulation. Pain are relieved by analgesics, no capillary feel. Then more than 3 seconds ang capillary feel and no pedal pulse or no peripheral circulation. Okay? Kahit sa phone, hindi na maririnig ang pulsation. Then may occlusion na, grabe ng edema, na-occlude na yung blood vessels mo, pati ng nerves mo. Okay? Even if you elevate it, even bigyan ka ng narcotics, it cannot be relieved. So prepare for bivalving. Okay? Amazing nga yung mga bivalving apparatus. Kasi during the time when I was at CI, kailangan naka-measure pang plaster of Paris cast na kung ilang cm yan kasi siyempre ang bivalve apparatus baka mahiwa yung skin. Although may mechanism na dati na it prevents ng paghiwa sa skin. Sa ngayon, kahit ihampas-hampas mo yung blade na yan, hindi ka mahiwa kasi there is such a mechanism. Di ba ang talino ng mga physicists natin at mga engineers na kahit na idikit mo siya sa skin mo, na mahiwa niya ang plaster of Paris. Di ba? There's certain angle na ganun. Eh, paano naman kung kasing tigas ng plaster of Paris sa skin mo? Mahiwa talaga yun. Okay, so dito, you have neurovascular assessment. Next, 4 out of 6. Same data pa rin, 11:15, 11:15. Okay. Based on the following assessment findings above and recent vital signs is this one. Okay, ayan, 11:15. Hypotension, then tachy, 37.2, okay. Provided not right with the changes. Okay, so based on the above vital signs, okay, what would you anticipate to be ordered? Siyempre, prepare for bivalving and related conditions. So, pagbibigay ka na ng narcotics dyan, although wala ka kasiguraduhan na talaga ma-relieve ang lahat ng pain, it is an indication kasi na meron kang compartment syndrome if it's not easily removed by analgesics, pero bigay ka pa rin ng narcotics mo. Okay? For comfort. Next one, operahan na rin yan eh. Iba valve. Pero okay, to relieve the tension. Then, normal saline bolus of 500 ml over 30 minutes. Kailangan mo yan. So, kung may compression dyan, i-decrease yung fluid volume. Right? And, kasi may hypotension doon. Right? May hypotension. What else? So, per row daw, per category, kahit isa meron. Ito na lang. You have fasciotomy pag burns or pag bivalving fasciotomy din yun, procedure na yon ng fascia hiwain. Ganun din sa bivalving of your cast. Then you have change diet to nothing but by mouth. Kasi may anesthetic agent ka, mag-compartment syndrome ka, baka maging unconscious ka or baka kailangan mo operahan, kailangan NPO ka muna sa ngayon. Okay? Sa IV mo lang ilagay ang nutrition. Hindi naman mamatay ang pasyente yung walang kain for 40 days nga, 'di ba? Based on biblical and scientific accounts. Tama talaga nagko-coincide ang biblical na mga time frame and yung science. So, cast removal cast removal to the bedside stat. Yung bivalve apparatus ready na kasi dadating ng orthopedic surgeon and order compartment pressure measurement device to the bedside. Yung, di ba may mga pneumatic device, meron ka mga compression measurement device, ito na yon. So lahat ng kailangan. Even if you're not familiar with this, alam mo na meron mga device and apparatus, you have to include that pag relevant. Okay? Just be intelligent about that because not everyone has been exposed to this. At saka, di ba rule natin, textbook setup, kahit wala tayong nakita noon, textbook setup tayo. Okay? Then, morphine, IV pusher pain is the best protocol here. Fasciotomy, prepare for bivalving, be ready with that, with the apparatus, and be ready the patient as well as manage the pain. Next one, 5 of 6. Ayan. May bagong orders. You have to read that through. Order custody compartment. Nalalaman mo na ang sinagot mo doon mali or tama. Kasi ang next na situation, lalabas siya doon. Di ba? Ganun yun. Na-realize mo mali, check it off. Did you have a chance to score? Say line. Prepare for the device. Check neurosal status. Ano daw pwede mo delegate sa UAP? Okay? Tandaan mo ang LPN, LVM, pwede mo delegate ang mga procedures in nursing that are routine, stable, avoid ang mga hindi sila trained. Kasi may training ng surface-stereo technique, pero sa iyo na lang dapat ang mga stable patient. But sa CNA, sa level ng UAP, routine, standard operating procedure with expected effects, expected outcomes. So, mga expected outcomes, SOP, okay? Standard operating procedure, mga simple tasks, routine, sa kanila. Pwede sila mag-teach ng simple lang mga teach how to do deep breathing, teach how to actually exercise their limb. Pang ganun lang, hindi naman nahulugan na ang RN lang or ang mga nurse practitioners lang higher than RN ang pwede mag-assessment, teach, and evaluate. Ang atin na to, na kailangan ng judgment sa kanya. Pero kailangan ng training, pwede sa kanila. Pero pag highest judgment, sa kanya. So, ang arte, do not misconstrue. Walang arte, talaga yung assessment, teaching, evaluation, not at all times. Simple assessment, teaching, evaluation na routine, pwede sa LPN and LVN. Ang pinaka-stable, pwede sa CNA and UAP. Pero pag mga health teaching, talaga na kailangan ng clinical judgment, sa'yo na yon. Same is true with assessment and evaluation of the complications. So, ano lang dito ang pwede mo i-delegate? Ito, obtain, vital signs, bedpan, INO, and you have to assess the client positioning and daily weight. Yun lang. Stable. Ang ito hindi. Kailangan ng judgment. Ito hindi. Kailangan ng judgment. So, kaya din yan ng LPN. Okay? At ano pa kaya dito ng LPN? Yan lang actually. Mga assessed in IV, administration of drugs, pwede ng LPN, mga trained, pero mga oral sa kanila na. Medication administration. So, mas klaro dito kasi UAP. Kung LPN dito, and UAP, for example, categorize, assign. If assigned to the LPN, UAP, iniwasan nilang ganun na ina-assign kasi ilang clear-cut ang explanation nila na assign to the lowest person in hierarchy the task as much as possible. So sa UAP lahat kung pinakamabakaya ng UAP. Ang hindi na, sa LPN na. Pero kung kaya ng LPN, wala delegate sa RN. Gets mo yung order category na yon, dapat klaro instruction mo. So ginagawa nila ngayon sa mga delegation, prioritization, triage, hindi na ganun ka-complicated. Kasi pag kinakalibrate, bumabagsak sa calibration ang question pag ginagawa nila multiple choice items, multiple na matching type or drop and drag. Eh, hindi mo naman puwedeng sabi na for example, measurement of INO, puwede naman yan sa LPN, eh, puwede yan sa RL, puwede mo sa UAP. Not unless sinasabi nila na, okey, delegates to the lowest person in hierarchy. So, yun na yun. Yung delegate sa RN yun at yun lang. Okay? Tapos yung the rest is NA na. Hence, okay, and sa middle ang LPN. Okay, so Sir Oscar and Sir Gian will reiterate more on delegation. Ako talaga concentration ko talaga dito sa management of care is prioritization for napakahaba ang set na yan. Okay, next. You have 6 out of 6. Na. Okay, additional item here. Ganun din ang set orders. Okay, for each finding, click to identify if the finding indicates that the client's status has improved, declined, or is unchanged since the onset of symptoms. So sa pain, kung i-compare mo siya, okay, sa 10 out of 10, ano na dito? Ito ang 3 out of 10. Tapos, limited ang motion. Okay, tapos, okay, none sa sensation, sluggish, capillary feel pa rin. Ang color, normal, warmth, okay, cold pa rin siya, oh. And pulse, 0 pa rin. Oh. So, pain, improve ang pain. But, okay, ano pa yung declined? Warmth and pulse, and unchanged ang sensation capillary feel. Ano pa nag-improve ang color? Yun lang. So, bali, kahit na hindi ka familiar sa situation, balik-balikan mo lang ang nandyan sa nurse's notes, doctor's order sheet, admission sheet, di ba? Sa lab data mo, ma-apply mo. Okay? Ang hospital work. Dito. Next. Okay, another case study. This is hip replacement. Okay, the patient has urinary catheter. Then, okay, bowel sounds hypoactive, enjoying catheter draining yellow urine. So, alam niyo na, iatrogenic infection. The most common is actually UTI, the iatrogenic infection. The most common cause of morbidity and mortality in terms of nosocomial infection is pneumonias and UTI ang second. Okay? So, dito, ano daw ang immediate follow-up? Anong nangailangan ng immediate follow-up? Choose 4 findings. Natural, kasi may fever, yan, check. Urine that is yellow, cloudy yellow. You have professional disorientation, kasi the first sign of hypoxia in the brain, the first sign of increased ICP, the first sign of infection sa brain is restlessness, confusion, disorientation. May sinabi ba dyan may dementia siya? Tingnan natin. Wala. Oh, di ba? Elderly lang siya. So confusion, i-check. Confusion and your forgetfulness is not normal in aging. It is usually undiagnosed, but not normal. Then, of course, the pain here. Okay? It's a warning sign na, late sign ng pain. So that's the rationale there. Next one. What problems could the client be experiencing here based on the situation? May delirium siya because of the infection and UTI. Okay? Because of the condition. Next one. 3 out of 6. So amongst all this, which is your top priority? The management of urinary tract infection. And next one. Each category have more than one order. Okay? Nursing and medications category dyan. So, what should you anticipate? Select all that applies per category. So, INO, very sensible. Discontinue catheter kasi your catheter can actually introduce or ascend infection. Imagine mo, tutulak pag palagi kang catheter. Kung kaya mo naman mag-urinate on your own, kailangan ng pasyente nga post-op due to void in 1 to 4 hours. Di ba? Until 8 hours. Pero pagkatanggal ng catheter, the patient is really, really due to void within 1 to 4 hours. Kung hindi, assess bladder in the sensitivity pubis. Pero pag nasabi mo anuria or oliguria, you have to manage that. You have to refer that. Pero kung nandiyan ang pantog niya, hindi lang mailabas because the effects of anesthesia or my stricture, then you have to relieve that by your stimulation of micturition reflex. By opening the faucet, pouring warm water on perineum, positioning. Catheterization is not an indication here. Kasi may UTI, right? You'll ascend infection. Then you'll have to actually cleans prophylaxis, pull the pubic hair, pour warm water over the perineum, have the patient relax, proper positioning. Saka na last recourse ang mga medications and mga management through your device and the equipments. Okay. So clindamycin is the drug of choice, mycin. Then you have urine culture and sensitivity before the first dose. Discontinue catheter. The catheter can relieve distension, can assist in prevention of stasis of secretions of urine, but it is one of the most common cause of UTI. Okay? So, hindi mo i-assign ang infection. Imbis na cystitis na, nag-urethritis na, urethritis, and not pyelonephritis kasi nag-ascend. Matagal na catheter na may infection ka doon, hindi mo change, hindi mo tinanggal. Kaya naman ng pasyente na i-train ng normal urination. Okay, next round 5 out of 6. You have, okay, the nurse. The nurse is actually, a moment, okay. Here, the nurse is stating, lies awake, oriented, denies back pain, and reports mild incisional pain. 2 out of 10, wala na. So, because the patient has been clindamycin na first dose, tapos dapat kompleto na lahat-lahat ng mga diagnostic tests before the first dose, nagawa ng culture and sensitivity. So here, which among the following should you select as a teaching plan? Entire course should be completed. Okay, adherence and okay, adherence and completion here is necessary so that bacteria will not mutate. Removing the catheter, flushing out the bacteria through normal means, acidify your urine by acid-ash diet, then closely monitor for the first 8 hours after catheter removal. The patient is due to avoid within 4 hours dapat. Increase fluid intake, acidify urine, etc. Avoid things that can increase bacterial proliferation such as alkaline ash diet. So bawal ang milk, bawal ang mga citrus fruits sa UTI, kaya emphasize mo sa layman yan palagi kasi fallacy yan. Inom ka ng maraming orange juice, kung may UTI ka, there are only 3 fruits that acidify urine, cranberry, plum, and prune. And they're available in the market. That's why internationally, in-advocate na ang buko juice, hindi therapeutic kung gout ang case ni Lolo. Pero kung UTI, buko juice can worsen. Okay? Kasi it does not acidify urine. Maraming tao iinumin. Yun lang yung object ng DOH. Yeah. Di ba? So, so, sa DOH, pero basa, sinabi ko na, about na mali siya doon, salita siya ng international community. Tinatawanan niya palagi ng, taga-DOH, tinatawanan palagi ng sa DOH. Siyempre, it's very terrible. Not again terrible, look na, ako, solution, yung unang lesson sa foundation sa solution, nakakagalit ang people, statistics. Tapos ang statistics sa DOH, nasa likod ng libro. Di ba? Hindi na ginagawa. Hindi nun, nag-work na sila sa kanila. Hindi yung tanga-katangahan. Kung yun, kanya-kanya silang percentage sa vaccine. Kaya libro naman, ng vaccine nakagilit. Hindi yung tangahan. Hindi ba? Sila, it was billions. Di ba? Namatay din sila. Yung hayop ng DOH. Number 1, corrupt. Kakahiya. Diba? Worker pa naman. Eh, sabi ko sa kaya nga daw, sabi niya, kung sa academics, sa academe, ang yung development, ang corrupt. So, sila, okay. One, what's the posting cognitive defense for those who are foreigners that speak Tagalog. So, it's a clearance the government. So you should not hear it. So you have your 74-year-old woman admitted for rehab. Placement, same. Then, day two, you have three orders of the, okay, so here, you have clindamycin. I can stop taking, no, hindi pwede. Blood adherence and compliance. Then you have invisible fluid intake, white cotton underwear, hindi nylon, or sickness na nylon. Okay? Try to hold when I feel the urge to void. Okay, then I will take showers instead of baths. Check. Okay. Kasi pag-bath ka, okay? Yung maganda pa kasi ang next na choice na-encounter namin before is, yeah, pag may UTI ka, no comedogenic soaps, okay? Tapos dapat hindi irritating. You have to shampoo the hair, you have to pour clean water, you have to soap, shampoo the hair last. Sandali let me compose myself. Okay. Wash your body, check that. So, okay. Shampoo the hair last and rinse thoroughly. Ang rationale nun, 'pag nag-shampoo ka ng hair last, nakatayo ka na, 'di ba? Nag-shampoo ka ng hair last, mag-rinse ka ng rinse, mari-rinse mo lahat. Kaysa na nag-shampoo ka na tapos na-rinse mo na, tapos umakyat ka na lang, hindi mo na-rinse ng mabuti ang mga perineum mo, okey? Yung mga kasuan mo tsaka singit-singit, gano'n. I-imagine it sa may mga tub bath or kaya sa shower, if you soap yourself first tapos nagbanlaw ka, nabanlawan mo yung area na 'yan. 'Pag nag-shampoo ka ng hair last tapos binanlawan mo, 'di ba, maki-clean ang area, maki-clean mo yung area, pati sa baba at napilitan ka i-clean mo din ang perineum ulit. So, gano'n 'yun. Okay? So, think of physics and think of the sequence of clean to clean, sterile to sterile, yung bigla sterile sa skin. So, the cleanest to the dirtiest. Okay? The cleanest to the dirtiest. Okay? Perfect at the start, dirtiest to cleanest. Okay? So that's it. Principle mo na bacteria flows in the direction of gravity. Plus ang take shampoo the hair last and rinse hair thoroughly, rinse the body thoroughly. Para wala talagang natira na soap at hindi madumi ang area. Sigurado mo na twice mo siya na-rinse. Okay. Yun yung principle doon. Acid ash diet. Next one. Trend item, same concept. Trend item here, for each of the following possible finding, okay, based on this data na sa huli, okay, improved na ba, declined, or unchanged? Cloudy urine, unchanged. Cloudy pa rin. No low back pain, improved. Oriented, improved. Temperature, parang pareho pa rin, no? Hindi na masyado. Slight deviation from normal, still the same. Yan lang yun. Di ba ang dali ng mga analysis and application questions? Ang hirap, ang recall recognition talaga pag hindi mo alam. At saka yung recall recognition analysis. Yung mga origination questions, mga ganyan, yung sa clinical judgment, pang huling dalawa na mga question, usually, kung alam, kung masipag ka magbasa at ma-retain mo, hindi ka na babalik-balik, mabilis. Okay? Mabilis ka mag-evaluate. Next situation. Naulit. Dali lang ha. Naulit siya. Naulit lang siya, guys. So, hindi siya gano'n kahaba. Same, siya, tatlong situation, tatlong trend lang. Okay? I have a lot of future exercises. This is just application. So, diniscuss ko na parenteral therapy, so kanina, and okay, you have your doctor's calculations as well as medication administration. So, pinararamdam ko sa inyo kung paano ite-test siya sa case study and trend items. Sa mga posters yung marami tayong mga actually innovative items, select all that applies, with items, multiple choice, click and drag, yung ganon. Okay, you'll have that experience. Okay, so for this set, RP, you have another set later. But sa Lunes, I will actually be starting on time and mag-extend ako kasi lahat ng procedures kailangan madaanan ko salient points. Although, I want a recording of lab data specimen collection separately kasi hindi talaga magkasya ang procedures na reiterate ko kasi maraming updates doon. Okay? So, just put up series na para sa specimen collection, laboratory data, diagnostics. Okay? And sa inyong physical assessment, screening, triage na. Okay? So this is series 2. Pull up series 3 later for the summary of the top is under me. Okay? Pero yung specimen collection, magsa-start siya ulit sa series 2. Separate topic siya. So dito sa ating rationalization, we have series 1, 2, and 3. Thank you for pulling up series 2. Pull up series 3. Thank you.